Hi there. Gonna do a video here on a tool that I like. I'm winterizing my boat here, and this tool just helps you getting the hoses off because they actually rust onto the connection on a boat. Works good for cars, anything where you're taking hoses off of stuff and they can get stuck. So I'll show you what it is here. So this is the tool that I've got from Snap-on. I don't see a part number on it, but anyways, it's basically, I'm sure other people have these tools. So it's just sort of like a hook, a straight hook, and you can get it in the hose, work it around the hose. I'll show you here in a second, and it just breaks free that rust from the hose so you can pull the hose off. So let's just see if I can do this while holding the camera. Switch hands here. So just work it in underneath, and it won't, because it's not sharp on the end, it won't break the poke the hose. Basically just work it around the hose. You can hear the rust in there crunching. And now I'll also give it a twist, and off it comes. See, just like that. You can see all the rust that would have been in there too to try and get out. Yummy. So you can see all the rust that would have been in there. Trying to get that out would have been tough if I didn't have that tool. So anyways, that's what it is. That tool will help you greatly.